This podcast is all about a new web series on Amazon Prime named Panchayat. The Panchayat series begins with a not so happy character Abhishek, played by Jitendra Kumar, whom I believe is the next superstar of realistic cinema like Ayushmann Khurrana and Rajkumar Yadav. Abhishek is a frustrated engineer who regrets his state of being unemployed. He expresses his situation to his friend who is well placed in a corporate company. Abhishek says, "I wish I had done my 12th class better. My life would be similar to yours." He had no option now other than this job of Sachiv, which means Panchayat Secretary, which he had applied as a last security option. And finally, that was the only job he was left with. This series shows the state of engineers today who end up being in any kind of job for living a life. He joins his service as a Sachiv in a remote village named Phulera. From day one of his joining, he was frustrated being in this village. Life in a remote village like Phulera is really shot well by the director Deepak Kumar Mishra. Be it the aerial shots or the natural conversation of the villagers, he gets 10 on 10 for this. The series also has great background music and some situational background sounds like Paheli and Pasa Phek. There are 4 more major roles apart from Sachiv. The Pradhan Pati, played by Raghubir Yadav. The wife of Pradhan by Neena Gupta, who is officially the Pradhan of the village. The assistant of the Pradhan by Faisal Malik. All these 3 have really performed well. But the standout performer of this series is the office assistant played by Chandan Roy. His innocence and charming character is the one to watch out for. Abhishek feels like hell with the village life and his friend recommends him to prepare for CAT and plan for MBA in the next coming year. His studies doesn't go well as planned due to power fluctuation in the village. In the whole series, it is seen how a city guy is ruined in a simple village like Phulera. Village people are not inclined towards money but are surely very emotional towards pride, rituals and some ethics commonly followed by the villagers. Best scene of the series is the time when whole village is involved in a wedding preparation of a villager's daughter. It is shown how everyone are involved like it is their own family member's wedding. And even Abhishek the Sachiv was forced to share his room, which was the Panchayat office itself. He was forced to share it with the groom and his friends and was asked to help the groom in getting good hospitality. The egoistic groom tried to use all his groom power to make the Sachiv work like a servant, which leads to a series of arguments. The arguments almost ended the wedding. The writer of the series, Chandan Kumar, has put all the necessary elements of village in the story. You will feel like you are one among them. A complete family entertainer, well-written hilarious drama will come to an end with a smile on your face. You will feel like you are on a joyride of your life. I wish it could go on. The series is divided into 8 episodes, but most of them will end up watching it at a stretch for 4 hours. If realistic cinema is your kind, then please watch this and promote such talent. Thank you to the filmmakers. I recommend everyone to watch this series. Thank you.